गुड मॉर्निंग इंस्टाग्रामर्स एंड वेलकम टू चिटर चैटर। चिट चैट का यही तो प्लस पॉइंट है कि आपके साथ कभी भी चिट चैट हो सकती है, कहीं भी। ऑल वी नीड इज अ गुड नेटवर्क, a good guest or a friend with whom we can chit chat, and you people who support us by joining our chit chat. So, welcome to Chitter Chatter again today. And today, our guest is somebody who also enjoys chit chat. He's an actor visiting faculty at Whistling Woods and has been a major, and also he is one of the highest TEDx talkers. So, it's all about chit chatting with him today. And started a communication skill class. So let's talk and have chit chat. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, Major Mohammad Ali Shah, but I cannot see you. I hope we are not repeating history today.
Oh, yeah. Now we are.
Yay! Good morning. How are you?
Morning. Very well, very well. So good to see you, Shweta. So good to see you.
Same here. I'm so glad we are having this chit chat in the morning to start a nice weekend with so much educative stuff that you're going to talk to our Instagrammers today.
Yeah, I know. Thankfully, I'm not very technically sound, so I was myself a little nervous. I hope I am able to log in properly, and there's that, and all it's fine. Got it.
No, you're all good. We are all set.
Especially when
So,
you
how
ask,
has lockdown been for you? Sorry?
lockdown is actually, especially when you asked that, I hope you're not repeating history today, so I got even more nervous. So lockdown, to be
Yeah,
very
because
honest,
how's lockdown been for you?
lockdown has actually worked for me. I'll be very honest with you. Or rather, I would say I have made it work for myself. When this entire lockdown started on 15th March, I was preparing all set to visit Egypt for a talk. And all my talks started getting cancelled back to back. I was very upset. So I said, okay, there's something known as a webinar. Let me download these apps. I downloaded these apps and I've been on back-to-back webinars with different people, with different, on all walks of life, all over. So it's worked very well for me here.
True that. Not only as a TEDx talker or a talker at webinar, you also had two shows released, Yara and Avroad, like in the lockdown. So lockdown has definitely worked for you and pandemic has suited you. There's no doubt in there.
Absolutely. So Yara, this film released on Z5 and Avroad released on Sony Live. And I forgot to mention that there was a serial which I had done on Doordarshan a couple of years back where I've played the protagonist of rather I would say the antagonist because I was the villain in that. So it's based about this villain who comes to so that comes on Doordarshan from 8 to 8:30 every night. I forgot to mention. So see, on online motivational talks, online theater, online OTT films, online web series, online serial. I mean, it's great. It's been great for me. I would say that.
तो आप तो ऑनलाइन छाए हुए हो फ्रॉम टॉकिंग टू एक्टिंग हर जगह और फिर कहते हो मैं टेक savvy नहीं हूँ जबकि सब आप टेक्निकली कर रहे हो बी इट वेबिनार्स बी इट ओटीटी बी इट इवन our Insta live chit chat.
I was very technologically handicapped. I've been trying to learn in this pandemic. So I said there's no other way. It is like remaining unpad otherwise. अंगूठा छाप अगर आपको नहीं आता टेक्नोलॉजी तो अंगूठा छाप हो सिंपल सी बात है आज की तारीख में. So a person like me who was literally अंगूठा छाप in technology, and the irony is I've worked with IT firms for after my management from IIM Calcutta after the army. I've worked with
And
IT
you were
firms.
still technically handicapped.
Yeah, because fortunately there I didn't have to use a lot of technology. I was banking on my marketing skills. That way. But I have to compliment you and commend you, Shweta. I've been following your shows and the way you steer your shows, amazing, super amazing. And let me tell you, the last time when we both came live and I couldn't switch on my camera or something, some issue happened. And the same day, I had another Insta live, and the same thing happened. Then I realized that my camera was off. That was
Yeah,
the
you
only
told
reason.
me.
Yeah, and how patient you were. You were trying to make me feel comfortable. No, it doesn't matter. It happens. It happens. I was so embarrassed. I was so embarrassed.
No, thank you for the lovely compliment. But Insta Live has taught me a lot. It's taught about patience. It's just like a theater, every show is different. Every Insta Live is different. Every time we have different glitches. Every time there's something new that it teaches. So yeah, Insta Live is, I think, as good as theater for me. Like everything is different. It's just one moment at a time.
Right.
So tell me about Yara because it was the first thing that released while OTT और फिर उसके बाद हम आपके बाकी shows के बारे में जो OTT में जो आपने show किए थे अब्रोड और दूरदर्शन का we'll start that journey पर कुछ पहले मुझे कुछ यारा के लिए बताइए because you've been a major and that was all about playing that character and you were so different from real life you worked on it so all about Yara tell me.
Thanks, Shweta. Shweta, the thing is, I'll give the background. My journey in film was actually 22 years old. And my journey into theatre is even older, over 35 years old.
Oh my
So I did my
God.
first, yeah, so I did my first play when I was like 5 years old. That's a memory that I have. But I have been told I did my play even before I was 5 actually, which I don't remember of right now. And in the year 1998, I did a film with FTI, with the Pune Film and Television Institute of India, which Mr. Saeed Mirza had directed. It's there on YouTube. It's there on my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel by the name Muhammad Ali Shah. So it's there. That
One
film is
second.
there.
Dear Instagrammers, just one second. Dear Instagrammers, if you all want to watch this movie, please go on his YouTube channel and watch it and do DM him. How did you like it? And also, you can tell us how did you enjoy his shows. Yes, tell
Thanks,
that.
Shweta. So that film was there. After that, in the year 2011, much later, I did my graduation. When I was in Pune for my graduation, I used to go to FTI very often and assist in their short films. I used to be the glorified spot boy on the sets, like lifting cameras, tripod, reflectors, serving everyone tea, learning how dubbing is done, how editing is done, how the frame is set, location hunting. I used to do all that with them. And I continued doing this short film, the diploma films. In the year 2011, much later, while I had done my stint in the army of 5 years, because I didn't get through the NSD, the National School of Drama. तो 2 मरतबा मैंने ट्राई करा
Okay.
एनएसडी के लिए 2001 में और 2002 में और पंकज त्रिपाठी जो हैं जो बहुत ही मंझे कलाकार हैं वो हमारे साथ थे 2001 में एंड वी वर द सेम
Okay.
ग्रुप एंड सेम सब ग्रुप तो आई प्रिडिक्टेड एट दैट टाइम मैंने कहा पंकज तुम भाई बहुत तगड़े एक्टर बनने वाले हो उन्होंने बोला भाई अली भाई आप में भी बहुत जज्बा है आप भी बहुत जगह करोगे तो हमने एक दूसरे को दुआ दी पंकज गॉट थ्रू आई हैड नॉट गॉट थ्रू एंड आयरॉनिकली आई टेल यू मोर अबाउट इट 2002 में मैंने 1 साल वेट करा कॉल सेंटर में जॉब करी रात भर आई वुड वर्क एट नाइट इन द डे आई वुड get time to sleep or do my rehearsals or my modeling. I was Mr. Pune Talent in the year 1999. So I tried again for SB. I failed twice. तो मैंने मास
Okay.
कम्युनिकेशन के लिए अप्लाई करा वो भी जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया से बिकॉज द मास कॉम देयर सपोज टू बी लाइक वेरी गुड वहां पे भी आई फेल इन द एंट्रेंस टेस्ट फिर मैंने सीडीएस यूपीएससी का एग्जाम दिया आई गॉट थ्रू द आर्मी एंड आई वेंट फॉर माय ट्रेनिंग फॉर द आर्मी एंड वो भी मैं इसलिए गया था फौज में कि भाई हमारा खानदान पिछले 200 सालों से फौज में खिदमत कर रहा है और मेरे वालिद साहब फौज में इंडियन आर्मी के डेप्यूटी चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ थे सो आई थॉट इट वुड बी अ वेरी गुड आइडिया टू सर्व इन द आर्मी आर्मी वुड पे मी एंड ट्रेन मी इन commando training martial arts horse riding and polo parasailing para jumping deep water diving rock climbing mountain climbing you name it adventure sports water sports तो भाई अपने स्टंट्स को मैं खुद कर लूंगा उसके बाद अगर फिल्मों में कभी ऐसा मौका मिलेगा तो और सपना फिर भी अभी भी था कि बम्बई तो आऊंगा मैं जरूर and after that I got through IIM Calcutta I did my management from IIM Calcutta joined the corporate sector but one thing which was consistent in my life was theater was plays I continued reading literature which I'm very passionate about एंड उसके बाद 2011 में मैंने एजेंट विनोद करी थी, फिर 2012-13 में मैंने हैदर करी। हैदर में को 5 नेशनल अवार्ड मिले, एंड आई हैड अ स्मॉल बिट इनिशियल 15 minutes when the army comes to pick up Haidar's father and they blow up Haidar's house. So they were the army major, that major was me. क्योंकि मैं हकीकत में फौज का मेजर साहब रह चुका था, तो विशाल भारद्वाज ने मेरे को मेजर साहब का रोल दिया। Tigmanshu Dhulia saw my work in Haidar and he signed me up for Yara. Now coming to your question now, sorry to have given this long background.
No,
So
it
मैंने
was
Yara
amazing because we suddenly got the background and we lived through, the time you started acting and your journey then. So thanks for the background. And back to Yara.
Thanks. So then Tigmanshu Dhulia called me to the office and narrated Yara to me and gave me the script. I love the script. I love the narration. I didn't have that much of patience कि मैं वो script लूं और मैं घर जाऊं ना। आराम नगर में अंधेरी में उनकी ऑफिस है, थी वहां पे, तो मैं स्क्रिप्ट ली और वहीं 20 मीटर दूर एक छतरीनुमा पेड़ था, जो छाया जगह था, उसके नीचे जाके बैठ गया मैं और वहां बैठ के स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने लग गया। I didn't have the patience to go to Scrumptious or Cafe Coffee Day or somewhere, but I wanted to read the script there and there, and I got engrossed reading the script. I read the script over 10 times, and by evening I had almost learned up the entire, not just my lines, but the entire script, the lead actor to the heroine, to everyone's lines I knew backwards by evening. उसके बाद मैंने ट्रेन पकड़ी, जनरल डिब्बे में बैठ के चालू टिकट लिया और मैं अमृतसर के लिए ट्रेन पकड़ ली मैंने, गोल्डन टेम्पल एक्सप्रेस जो मुंबई सेंट्रल से आती है रात को 9:30 बजे। और जो जनरल डिब्बा होता है वह अनरिजर्व है, एनीवन कैन जस्ट गेट इनसाइड। आई हैड अ स्मॉल रक्सैक, घर जाके पैक करके मैं 2 जोड़ी कपड़े, टॉयलेटरीज, माय शेविंग किट, व्हिच आई डिडंट यूज आयरॉनिकली because I kept a beard and grew my hair for 2.5 years after that. वो अलग कहानी। तो मैं दाढ़ी तो बनाई नहीं उसके बाद फिर मैंने, और मैंने जो बाथरूम के बाहर, दरवाजे के बाहर जो कॉरिडोर होता है, वहां पे मैंने अखबार बिछाया और मैं मस्त वहां पे लेट गया और मैं कुंभकर्ण की तरह 30 घंटे सोया होऊंगा ट्रेन के अंदर। अमृतसर पहुंच के तकरीबन मैं जागा, और एक होता है विक्रम इज लाइक अ शेयर्ड ऑटो रिक्शा where 6 people sit, more people sit and they share their this thing भाड़ा। तो मैं विक्रम पकड़ी अमृतसर स्टेशन से और मैं जलियांवाला बाग पहुंच गया, और वहां पहुंच के मैंने अपने आगे एक इतना खूबसूरत नजारा देखा, एंड दैट वाज स्वर्ण मंदिर, द गोल्डन टेम्पल। I just froze, Shweta. I literally saw the golden temple and I just froze. A feeling of positivity hit me. मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए थे और मेरी आंख में से पानी आने लग गया था। फिर मैं अंदर गया, लोगों से हाथ मिलाया और बताया मेरा नाम मेजर मोहम्मद अली शाह है, मेरे को सिख धर्म के बारे में सीखना है। भाई लोगों ने मेरे से हाथ नहीं मिलाया, गले मिले, एंड दे टुक मी स्ट्रेट अवे टू द कुक हाउस। आई slept in one corner, वहां पे अपना मैंने बिस्तर बोरी बोले कि एक बेडशीट थी और मैं बैग आई केप्ट इट देयर, हाथ मुंह धोए और लग गया काम पे। कटिंग फायरवुड फॉर द कुक हाउस, कटिंग वेजिटेबल्स, ऑनियन, वहां पे अच्छे से फर्श पे झाड़ू लगाना, पोछा लगाना, झूठे बर्तन कलेक्ट करना, उनको धोना, खाना परोसना, भारी भारी आटे बोरियां, दाल चावल की बोरियां उठा के अपने कमर पे कुक हाउस में लगाना, स्टोव करना। It was a back-breaking effort. I did that for a month. And the best thing that happened, a lot of spiritual changes had happening into me. The best thing that happened was I quit smoking at the drop of a hat. मैंने सिगरेट बिल्कुल छोड़ दी मैंने, और मैं चेन स्मोकर था, और मैं हर साल कहता था कि I will quit smoking, I will quit smoking 31st December. It never used to happen. और मैंने सिगरेट को यूं ही छोड़ दी उसके बाद। फिर मैंने जब बाल बनाना शुरू करे तो मैं 6 मीटर की पगड़ी होती है, दूसरे हाथ से मैंने कैमरा पकड़ा हुआ है, तो मैं वो बांधनी सीखी मैंने खुद। और लोगों ने बोला भाई तुम दाढ़ी तो ठीक है, पूंछ क्यों उगा रहे हो और पगड़ी बांधना क्यों सीख रहे हो? ड्रेस ज्यादा होंगे वहां पे, मेकअप ज्यादा होंगे, दे विल डू इट फॉर यू। आई सेड भाई दे विल डू इट, आई शुड बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट, आई शुड बी आत्मनिर्भर एक तरीके से कि मैं खुद कर सकूंगा। तो और रही बात लंबे बालों की, हाँ किसी को मालूम तो नहीं पड़ेगा कि लंबे बाल हैं कि छोटे बाल हैं पगड़ी में, लेकिन मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा। और जब तक मेरे को मालूम है तो मेरे को कंप्लीट वो फीलिंग जसजीत सिंह की नहीं आएगी, और जब तक मेरे को खुद महसूस नहीं होगा कि मैं अली नहीं जसजीत सिंह हूं, मैं किसी और को यकीन कैसे दिला सकता हूं। और यही हुआ जब यार रिलीज हुई श्वेता, तो हर एक जर्नल ने, हर एक क्रिटिक ने, मैं नहीं कहता कि मेरी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी थी, वो तो मैं दर्शकों पे छोड़ता हूँ, मगर जो रिव्यूज, जो राइटअप्स निकले थे, मतलब एवरी सिंगल चैनल, you name it, right from TV, Bharatvarsh to ABP News to you name it, to YouTube channels, to they interviewed me for my performance. Write-ups आए midday में, and I mean in the best of journals, front page पे, I was like very happy about that. उसके बाद जब अवरोध आई थी अगले दिन सोनी लिव पे, तो अवरोध से मेरे को उम्मीदें नहीं थी कि मैं किसी को बोला भी नहीं, मैं फेसबुक पे भी नहीं लगाया था कि मैं अवरोध में हूँ। अचानक धूम धाम के लोग मेरे को मैसेज करने लग गए, हमने आपको अवरोध में देखा। अच्छा, अवरोध पे इतनी मेहनत करनी नहीं पड़ी, क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने पैरा कमांडो का रोल प्ले करा है, और फौजी खून तो है ही है मेरे को, में फौजी ट्रेनिंग तो हुई थी, तो अवरोध आई रियली हैव टू वर्क दैट हार्ड। आई प्लेड अ पैरा कमांडो इन अवरोध, a radio operator, Naik Irfan Khan Pathan, who goes across the line of control and does a surgical strike and comes back. So that way it's been, and in Dil Ashna hai, jo mera serial aata hai Doordarshan pe, in that I've played a scoundrel, a real scoundrel. So uske bhi scenes मेरे YouTube channel पे लगा रखे हैं मैंने. So it's all there. And so that is the thing. And last year 2019, I must tell you, it has been an eventful year of my life. Because ये वेबिनार क्या होता है मेरे को समझ में आया इस साल, इसका पहली मर्तबा मैं जिक्र सुना था पिछले साल. What happened was last year, हाँ, क्योंकि अमृतसर में मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी, तो लोगों ने कहा कि वाहे गुरु जी की कृपा आपके सिर पे हमेशा बनी रहेगी. अच्छा भाई. और पिछले साल 2019 में मेरे को अमृतसर से मेरा पहला TEDx का इन्विटेशन आया टू स्पीक ऑन TEDx प्लेटफॉर्म. तो मैंने उनको मेल लिखी, भाई मेरे से क्यों पूछ रहे हो भाई, यू हैव रीच्ड सम अदर मोहम्मद अली शाह, रॉन्ग मोहम्मद अली शाह, आई एम नॉट द सेम पर्सन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. क्योंकि आई वाज अंडर द इंप्रेशन कि TEDx पे बात करना तो मतलब बड़े बड़े धुरंधर महारथी जो होते हैं, who have achieved something in life, जिन्होंने कुछ अच्छा किया होगा जिंदगी में, वो यार मैं तो कुछ, I never considered myself to have done anything worthwhile, frankly speaking. So they said, no, it's you only we are looking for. क्योंकि मेरा एक सोलो परफॉर्मेंस है, the major actors assorted monologues, like the way you acted phenomenally well in the play I saw you in, and you were really good, huh? Very good. You were something else off stage and something else. I mean, amazing. So
Thank you so much.
By that, मैंने अभी अपना एक play design करा, and I was a solo performer. I was a director, producer, actor, because I've learned in the army, when there's no way, create your own way. तो मैंने अपना ये play design करा.
Instagrammers, this is something to be highlighted. When there is no way, create your own way. Yes, back to you.
Thank you. And तो मैंने अपना वो play design, and someone had seen me in that performance. और जब ये मैंने पहले डिजाइन करा ये प्ले, वो my first show, I had advertised aggressively on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, BBM, SMS, email, पोस्टर छपवाए, NCPA, Papaya, St. Andrews, पृथ्वी थिएटर, हर जगह पे मैंने पोस्टर छपवाए. लीडिंग कॉफी शॉप इन अ 550 सीटर ऑडिटोरियम. श्वेता, आप यकीन मानेंगी कितने लोग मेरा प्ले देखने के लिए आए? I had an overwhelming crowd of 7 people in the audience. कितने लोग? 7 लोग आए, इतनी aggressive publicity करने के बाद. Yeah. And my next show was after 10 days, that too at Prithvi. And this was a ticketed show. So लोगों ने कहा भाई क्यों अपना बेइज्जती करवा रहे हो, मत करो ये प्ले, बैक आउट फ्रॉम इट, कोई तुम्हारा प्ले देखने को नहीं आने वाला है. Nobody knows of your this thing. But then at the end of the day, I believe good work speaks for itself. And जो मेरा 10 दिन के बाद जो पृथ्वी पे शो था, श्वेता, a ticketed show, I not just got a house full, 4 times the amount of people, my friends couldn't get to enter.
That's amazing.
Thanks, yeah. और वो दिन, and within the 8th month, I traveled the length and breadth of the country with that play including taking it abroad on my own shoulders. I remember I performed the same play in Kuwait, and the royal family of Kuwait, the sheikhs had come. It's in English, Hindi, Urdu and Sanskrit. तो एक तरीके से वो मेरी डाइवर्सिटी दिखाता है कि भाई किन किन भाषाओं का मैं प्रयोग कर सकता हूँ. तो कहते हैं we didn't understand what you were doing because we don't speak the language, but by the way you were doing it, we could say something very nice. And that was a compliment. फिर जब मैं
That's a
वापस
huge compliment.
थैंक्स यार. फिर जब मैं वापस इंडिया आया, so like they were a big theater personality. There's a very dear friend of mine, like my elder brother, Saif Haider Hassan, and so he gave me a call. He said, "Okay, we would like to let's join up and do it together." So Saif bhai became the producer. That relieved me of a lot of things, and I was still the director and the actor. And then we performed in Epicenter Gurgaon, and we performed at other places, and the show started doing really well. भाई मैंने ट्राइडेंट होटल हैदराबाद में परफॉर्म करा, और वही प्ले जिसके लिए कोई आना नहीं चाह रहा था श्वेता, वन टिकट was selling for 5,000 rupees. And this is a solo 3.5 hour performance of mine. So someone had seen this play of mine and this said, अगर आप 3.5 घंटे स्टेज पे समा बांध सकते हैं, भाई TEDx पे 8 मिनट बोलना पड़ेगा आपको, तो आराम से कर सकते हैं. तो फिर I thought of some idea and I gave my talk on risk taking, risk takers, the ones who don't take risks. I said the ones who don't take risks in life are the biggest risk takers actually. And within 18 minutes, I received three. Well, I don't mean to sound pompous about it. I'm just telling you जो हुआ वहाँ पे. Within 18 minutes, I received 3 standing ovations from the audience over there. I was like, wow, what's this? उसके एक हफ्ते के बाद आया कि TEDx CMRTC एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है हैदराबाद में, वहां से, फिर TEDx NIT रायपुर से 10 दिन के बाद, ऐसे करते करते थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ इन द TEDx कम्युनिटी ऐसा दौरान आया श्वेता कि हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पे भी कोई एक ऐसा TEDx इवेंट नहीं हो रहा था जिसको लाइसेंस मिल गया हो और वहां पे मेरे को इन्विटेशन मेल ना आ गई हो.
That's why you're one of the highest TEDx talkers.
तो हिंदुस्तान में ही नहीं, बाहर के मुल्कों से भी इनविटेशन आने लग गए कि भाई वी वुड लाइक यू टू कम विजिट अ कंट्री एंड स्पीक ऑन TEDx. मैं गया भी बाहर के मुल्कों में और वहां पे भी TEDx टॉक लेके आया. वो यूट्यूब पे है, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी है. एंड उसके बाद फिर जोश टॉक्स ने इनवाइट करा मेरे को. अब जोश टॉक्स इज लाइक हिंदुस्तान में बहुत पॉपुलर है, और मेरी एक इंग्लिश जोश टॉक थी वे विद इन 1 hour ऑफ स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन यूट्यूब इट हैड ओवर, विद इन 1 hour, लेस देन 1 hour, it had over 4 lakh views on YouTube, Shweta. And everyone was
crazy.
Like, yeah, it was like, I was amazed. उसको refresh करो तो 10,000, 20,000 एक टाइम पे. मैं ये क्या नंबर गेम हो रहा है भाई. उसको फिर refresh किया 30,000, 20,000. मैं ये क्या व्यूज आ रही हैं within 1 hour. उसके बाद फिर जोश टॉक हिंदी ने मेरे को इनवाइट करा दोबारा, एंड वही कहानी हुई दोबारा. I got a lot of viewership for that. And because सीधी सी बात है, जब मैं बात करता हूँ, I don't really prepare a speech or a talk. मैं दिल से बोलता हूँ. And when you speak from your heart, it connects to people. And I believe whether the audience is 1 or over 1 million, what happens is, if you connect with the people, every single audience is looking for one common thing, and that common thing is a connection. You connect with the audience.
Totally.
So, I know a lot of good speakers, a lot of good orators, but they fail to connect somewhere. And I know people who are not very good at oratory, मगर वो दिल से बात करते हैं, वो connect कर जाते हैं. मैंने वो सीखा.
वो तो है. आपके ये चैट के बाद मैं मोटिवेटेड हो गई हूँ to be on TEDx talks and the other stream you said, because you have really motivated our Instagrammers and me right now to be a part of these kind of platforms. So I'm sure लोग यहाँ पे will connect. So you have connected with all of us here and motivated us today.
Thanks, Shweta. अगर यही बात रही तो अब ये सुनिए. Last year, after giving so many talks, and then a huge company like HDFC Life Insurance, a big brand name, okay. So तकरीबन 1 साल की बात है. So they paid me over 10.5 lakh rupees for one speaking contract. अब मैंने कहा भैया उससे पहले I never charge money. है, वो कोई बुला रहा है कानपुर, as long as they are looking after my airfare, accommodation, and all basics, I would go. अब I turned professional, non-professional क्या होता है मैं नहीं जानता, but I started charging money after that. मैंने कहा it's a very lucrative industry. I mean,
True.
अगर मैं एक्टिंग में स्टिक करता, एक्टिंग में अगर मैं स्टार होता तब मैं वो पैसे कमा पाता. But then I was like, it was not about earning money. It was about giving back to the society. And I can only give back to society when I've received something. Like, for example, when Cambridge University invited me last year to speak to the university, I couldn't go. I was working on a film and I was shooting and I was like, उन्होंने कहा आप जहाँ पे भी हैं आप हमारे साथ वेबिनार कर लीजिए आप. अब ये सेमिनार क्या होता है तो मेरे को मालूम था, मगर ये वेबिनार क्या चीज होती है, I had no clue about it. सर आपने गूगल प्ले स्टोर से वो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए, आपको लिंक भेज देंगे. Wherever you are, you would be connected to us. And भाई उसके बाद खैर हो तो नहीं पाया. I had a mental block with technology. And this year क्या this last month 5th September जब Teachers Day होता है हिंदुस्तान में, तब I addressed the University of Cambridge, the University of London, and a lot of people resonated with my talk over there. वो भी मैं YouTube पे डाली अपने चैनल पे. So it's been a great journey. And उसके बाद आप एक चीज यकीन मानेंगे, आप सुनिए, very interesting, a total Cinderella story. बैंगलोर में
What happened at 12 o'clock?
बैंगलोर में एक IT कंपनी है. Okay, they wanted me to come over for a talk. They read my talks on YouTube, and I couldn't really. I said, see, I have an audition to give in the morning. I have a rehearsal to attend in the afternoon, and a play to watch at Prithvi at night, जो मेरे दोस्त का play था. So they said कि भाई you can adjust. I couldn't adjust. तो मैंने देखा early morning flights थी बैंगलोर के लिए, Bombay to Bangalore, but return flights were only at night, which means I would have missed all my program, my engagements. So we worked out an arrangement. आप यकीन मानेंगे इन्होंने प्राइवेट जेट भेजा. जैसे कि भाई मैं गाड़ी भेज रहा हूँ, ड्राइवर को भेज रहा हूँ, तुम गाड़ी में बैठ के आ जाना, खाने पे आ जाना, वैसे. So I flew from Mumbai to Bangalore, just the pilot, the air hostess, and myself in a small 7-seater aircraft. But that was the day मैंने सबसे ज्यादा photographs लगाई, खींची और लगाई सोशल मीडिया पे. मैं कहा भैया ऐसा मौका तो बार बार नहीं आता भाई, प्राइवेट जहाज में उड़ रहे हैं हम, अगर और किसी पोजीशन पे होते तो ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता. एंड दैट वाज अ गोल्डन मोमेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ. वो एक साल पहले लगाई है मैं फेसबुक पे, वो होंगी कहीं पे फोटो. एंड दैट्स आई रियलाइज कि भाई ये टैलेंट एक ऐसा है where people connect when I speak. एंड फिर जब पैंडेमिक शुरू हुआ, आई वाज टू विजिट इजिप्ट. फिर जहाँ पे एक तरफ मॉल, सिनेमा हॉल, रेस्टोरेंट्स, कॉफी शॉप्स, मार्केट्स, कंपनियां, they were suffering losses. They were dehiring the employees. They were contemplating cutting down the salaries. On the other hand, I also know of companies which were not just making profits, which were making multifold profits. And which companies were these? These were the digital companies, the online companies. So मैंने कहा भाई, I learned in the army, when the going gets tough, the tough get online. So मैंने कहा when the going gets tough, नहीं, I learned in the army, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. तो मैंने अब बोला, when the going gets tough, the tough get online. तो मैं ऑनलाइन गया, ये ऐप सीखे मैंने, और 2 घंटे के बाद क्या हुआ, I was on paid webinars back to back. I was even doing I'm a visiting faculty at Subhash Guys Visiting Woods International. So I was training my acting students through online classes. My son, he is in class 3. He takes online classes for his school, and he teaches me. बाबा मैं आपको बताता हूँ वेबिनार क्या होता है, ऐसे होता है, ये Teams ऐप ऐसे यूज करते हैं, Google Meet ऐसे यूज करते हैं, WebEx ऐसे यूज करते हैं. That is how I've been. But that's not important, Shweta. What's important is whatever was within my means and my limit, and whichever underprivileged people I could help out, the daily wage earners, the stray animals, I did my best to help them out. As Allama Iqbal once said, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी वफा क्या है. So I said, I have to bring myself to that position to help out, to make a difference in society. Recently, I launched a program where I would be training people in communication. A lot of people aspire to go and speak well on TEDx. a lot of people, it caters for everyone, from the underprivileged to the privileged. You know, I have people from right from slum dwellers to CEOs, right from beauty pageant winners to housewives, right from people seeking employment to people doing really well in life. So they come to learn, and वो सब classes online हो रही हैं. And the beauty of it is, look at the intention. My intention was not to make money. तो मैंने इसको high price नहीं रखा. I kept it reasonable, very subsidiary, very affordable by everyone, because the intention was to give back to society. Ab, because the intention was good, it picked up. A lot of people started signing up for it. A lot of people. The volume was huge because it's affordable and it's take back home some value. और the beauty of it is, मैंने कोई format ऐसा design नहीं करा कि okay, format design करूंगा so I will be only selling or marketing my course to earn money.
Correct.
I said, you get me the best motivation speaker in the country. Who's the best motivation speaker? No, don't say Oprah Winfrey. The best motivator is we ourselves. And the best way to do something well is not only through a course, but to practice on your own. आप जब तक practice नहीं करेंगे, if I want to be for example, if I want to be a good football player, अब स्टेडियम में बैठ के फुटबॉल मैचेस देख के I will not become a good football player. I have to go on ground and start playing football, start practicing it myself. Only then I'll pick up the craft, the art, the sport. Similarly, but you have to practice. You know, when I was a small child, na, Shweta, though I did my play very early, but I remember very clearly, मैं बहुत young था, I'm not even a teenager at that time. I went up on stage and I, come closer, I'll tell you a secret with you. Come closer. I went up on stage and I saw this girl who I had a crush on. And I forgot my lines here. Crazy it was. I forgot my lines. And I was so embarrassed. I just said thank you and went and sat back on my seat. I had a collar mic. मैं कुछ कहने वाला था. I was about to use some cuss word. Uff! इतना मैं रुक गया. मैं uff! मैं रुक गया. और my principal, teacher सब वहाँ पे बैठे हुए थे. उस दिन रात को ना मैं बहुत रोया. I cried a lot. I kept crying. I was in a boarding school, away from family, away from my parents, away from my siblings. Now I had मेरे आगे दो रास्ते थे. पहला रास्ता कि मैं सिर पकड़ के रोऊं और दोबारा कभी भी स्टेज पे आने की हिम्मत ना करूं. दूसरा रास्ता था या तो मैं अपने आप में इतनी ज्यादा मेहनत करूं कि I become one of the best speakers perhaps, not just in the country, in the world. That was my vision and my aim. So I went to my classroom. Boarding schools में ऊपर dormitory थी, नीचे classroom. So I went, opened my desk, took out my English reader, and we had बचपन में those small basic ones of Shakespeare, of Merchant of Venice, Julius Caesar. I started reading my English literature reader, like Merchant of Venice का speaking a Shylock speech. I still remember. He has hindered me and disgraced me 500,000, laughed at my losses, mocked at my gains, scorned my nation, thwarted my bargain. And what's the reason? I am a Jew. I am not a Jew. Eyes, organs, dimensions, senses, affections, passions, fed with the same food, hurt by the same weapon. If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you prick us, do not bleed. The will you teach me, I shall. तो वो मैंने इतने बार पढ़ा. फिर Julius Caesar, Mark Antony's speech on Caesar's death, when he says, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do live after them. The good is oft entered with the bones. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus had told you Caesar was ambitious. If it was so, it was a grievous fault, and grievously had Caesar answered it. Yeah, and the leave of Brutus and the rest, for Brutus is an honorable man. So are they all honorable men." बहुत लंबी स्पीच है. तो I learned all, and I managed to learn it by hearted. अगले दिन जो पहली क्लास हुई वो इंग्लिश की क्लास थी. And I was a very shy, timid, underconfident, always unsure of himself, constantly living in self-doubt. Am I good enough? Am I smart enough? I would stammer, lisp, stutter, get stuck while I was speaking because I lacked confidence. So when the teacher asked, who will read? Now the same backbencher, the same shy guy raised his hand, सबसे ऊपर. Yes, I will read. Everybody was shocked. Something, this guy, and I was always teased, bullied by everyone. भाई क्लास 9th में तो भाई I top my batch also. Let me tell you, वो बाद में आया. मगर कैसे? I failed in class 9. Top means from behind.
So we have realized that you've always failed and you have motivated yourself to like take it forward. Like you've always chosen a path not to give up and move forward. And we've learned a lot from you only in this one live session. And there's so much more we want to learn from you. So we cannot just end it on this one live session because आपने इतना कुछ किया है. So there's so much more to learn. Like, you know, so we are going to have many more live sessions. And thank you so much, Adeep, for joining us live today. And I know we're short of time and, you know, there's so much more, but we have to like abruptly cut on this live session. But thank you for moving your time and sharing your journey of the pandemic and the TEDx talks and also about the new online courses that you're doing and giving back to the society through teaching. So thank you so much and hope to see you soon for many more live sessions because this journey has to continue and a lot more chitter chatter has to continue. So, but before
Thank you,
going, if
Shweta.
you would like to tell your Instagram or fans something, then please go ahead before we sign out.
Thanks, Shweta. खैर हमारे तो कोई fans नहीं है, हमारे well-wishers हैं. तुम्हारे बहुत fans हैं, and you know I'm one of them, and you are fabulous. Why not so? All right. So I would like to tell them that guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. As Shweta already told you about it. It's Muhammad Ali Shah is the name. And जो मेरे courses हैं, if you want, I'm not trying to make money out of it. I'm trying to give back to people. So I hope you all make the maximum of it. And because the intention was good, अगर मैं इसको महंगा price रखता, only for white collar people and they will come, so I would have had a limited participants. इतनी ज़्यादा inquiries आती हैं, my phone doesn't stop ringing. So that's why I've kept the other phone, जो गिर गया है ये phone. I've kept the other phone for taking inquiries. ये यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. So it's like, guys, you want to communicate better. When I come on national television debates every day, you know, on some issue or the other, and there's hardly anyone who can reason out and argue with me. Why? I never scream and shout. I put my points across with logic and with data and with statistics. So facts quote करेंगे. I would like to contribute by giving whatever my education, my parents have invested in my education, I want to give it back to society. Because the society will not change unless and until we change our own selves. अपनी सोच बदली, समाज अपने आप बदलेगा. तो दोस्तों आइए हाथ मिलाते हैं आप सबसे, दोस्ती करते हैं. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Hey, thanks Shweta. Give me a high five, yeah. You are so cool. So yeah, that's what. And never give up in life. Never give up in life, guys. भाई हम कितने बार फेल हुए हैं.
हमारे लाइव चैट के बाद as I sign out now, आप जाइए YouTube चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and you can DM Mohammad Ali Shah for all the courses and everything. And thank you again, Major Mohammad Ali Shah, for joining us for a chitter chatter and hope to see you soon on another live chat very soon. Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Shweta. Thanks a lot. You too. Bye. Take care.